fellas, 30-second rest. I'm already tired now. You don't have to like count the whole time. You can just walk around. You know what I mean? If you're getting tired like that, just relax a little bit. You know. Man, you want to be here. You don't want to be over the front knee. You know what I mean?
So never.
No, don't be. No, stay back.
And then you would kind of work your way in, bop, bop, because you were very much a brawler, I feel.
I was more of a boxer when I started. My first time pro. You don't want to be on the ropes anyway.
So stay off the ropes is what you're saying.
Get the hell in the middle.
Would you be yelling at me if you were in my corner at that point?
Hell yeah.
Get out of there, man.
I mean, you can lay on me. You don't. You touch and move off them. You don't want to stay on them. You know what I mean?
Would you try to position yourself more in the middle of the ring?
I didn't care where I was.
Gotcha.
I don't know. I just fought. I didn't even worry about where I was in the ring, to be honest with you.
Gotcha.
But, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, we'll finish this one out. Ready? Uppercut, hook, right hand. A little quicker. There you go, again. Move.
I'm not used to the bad.
You need water?
Nah, I'm good right now, yeah. I appreciate it though.
Hey, again. We're gonna practice that hook to the body, alright?
Alright, that's the door.
Alright, don't play bouncing around, just stay right there.
Okay.
I want you to tap here, like with your left foot, like, so we're gonna be here.
Alright.
Don't spread so wide, right here. You're gonna be here, you're gonna tap here, tap, over, and boom. So I want you to tap here, boom, and over here.
Oh, nice.
Again. Rip it. Dig it. Come on, dig. That's to bring my elbow up.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I tap up here, you bring your elbow up here, and boom, right there. There you go, again. Tap. Yeah. Dig it. See, you're just using your arms right now. I want you to move it. Ooh. There you go. Dig, there you go. There you go. Again. There you go.
Oh, that's what.
Side. There you go. Dig. Come on. There you go. 2 jabs. 4 straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, not 5.
I can't count, man.
No,
I'm bad.
Okay, ready? 4. 4 again. 10. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Sit down. Okay. Go.
Oh.
Hey! Get up!
Micky knocked me out, man.
Hey, uppercut hook right here.
Oh, man.
We ain't even started yet.
I'm done. I'm wiped out, man.
I don't know, fight ain't over.
If you want to train for real, come down to the gym. Train with this man right here. Yes. You get a workout.
To this corner, right?
All right.
Like this. Come right in the back here. 2, 3, 4. Here. Pop, 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 pop. Here. Quadros.
I dropped out of high school at 15.
That's all right. 4. You okay? Come on. 4. Get some ropes. There you go. Hands up, buddy. Here you go. 4. Hey, give me 1, 2. Fast leg. Come on, fast leg. What's
that? Okay.
Hey. Go ahead, get your experience going. Hey.
Oh, I like that one. That one felt good.
Come on over here. Hey. All right, stay right there. I'll stay there. Punch to the end. Keep going. Come on, dig. Elbows in. Almost there. Dig. Come on, we got it, buddy. Come on. There you go. Go somewhere else. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Heard that one, dude.
I'm talking too much. What can I say? Come down to box to burn.
You're not a very good listener, B.
Yeah.
He's
His fives and sixes. His fours and fives.
That's it, man. Get near the ropes. He's in the middle of the ring.
There you go, again. There you go, nice. Again. 2 jabs. Again.
Bag work?
I ain't over.
I thought we were done, man. Micky, what's going on? Alright.
Just here. Here you go. Reset. You take those 2 up. Get to the side, don't be square.
Like this?
Yep.
And then it's back right?
Yeah. Boom, boom. Now the chin down. So you're here on your heel. You're here. Open up, don't open up.
Was that just don't like this?
Don't open up, yeah. A little better. Sharp. Squaring up when you do that. So when you do that, you square it up. If you're gonna do it here. Like you're like you come like this. You're too square. If you're here, right? Rip here. So you're here. You know what I mean? Wow. We're here. Don't do this. You do this. It might be the karate you've done for a long time, you know what I mean? But here, you want to turn right here and not this.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? So try that. There you go. That's it. There you go. And get up. Now get up. I want you to box. Just loose punch. Be loose now. Nice and loose. There you go. Your hands can be down, whatever. Get this loose. That'd be crazy though.
Alright. He's like, don't get stupid now. Love this shit.
There you go. Relax. Don't swing that head crazy. There you go. That's it.
So here we go. So it's
Yeah, a little tap. That's kind of. A jab or come off to the side. Basically, you want to get off to the side, or you don't want to go straight back because you're still in a line of fire after. You know what I mean? I have to like, but if you come back straight, I can like load up.
and you can kind
nail you.
Got you. So it's more.
I mean, in other words, if you come off this side, I gotta come over here, reset the punch. Vice versa on both sides.
Cutting them off.
But if you go straight back, I can just come right in. I load on you. Keep that elbow, you know, don't, this. If you're like, wow, right here. Yeah, right there, yeah. If you're right there, right, and you bring that hand back, now you go wide, right? Wow, you know, the guy you're fighting is gonna bang, left hook or whatever, you come from over there, yeah.
And that'll
Look how long it takes to get there too. If you're right here, it's like, boom.
So everything.
Snap it to the hip. There you go, there you go. You know what it is too? It's not the power of it. It's the speed of it pretty much, and it's where you land it. So you're lefty now, like, but I used to throw it with the right, like the right hook. I'd be here, tap here, and like over, or I'd go lefty and I'd tap here. Boom. My right hand should be my strong one, being a righty, but because of the, you know, the screws I got in there and stuff, I hurt it all the time.
Really? Did you break it?
No, I didn't break it, but all the years of it being like hurt and stuff, I never really like threw it much. You know, I mean, I always threw my left hook.
Is that why
That's how it left got better.
like that, really?
Yeah.
On gloves off?
Yeah, off. You get in that.
You're a beast, bro.
No, but I've done it since I was a kid, so I know how to do it. Hey, when he got here 2 days ago, he was fucking Florida champion. And that happened now.
Micky's so full of shit, you know?
No, I'm not. You were here. No, I'm just kidding.
I love it, man.
Now he's tight. You don't know how to do it.
You remind me
There we
of-
go. Oh, I can't do that. There you go.
I was fumbling my hand.
Ray Robinson now.
Oh, yeah. Now you're bullshitting me for real.
I call you Gabby. Let's go.
Is that my name now? You call me
Yeah.
Gabby? Damn.
No. Just do give me 50 crunches. Right?
50 crunches?
Yeah. Hold your head.
You're gonna train next.
Want me to throw up?
Come on, 5, 8, 9, 23.
If I did this, I would be sick.
20.
Wouldn't be able to do it.
I turn more than. 10 more.
I'll go on.
1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up, will you, midget?
Yes, I am.
Really up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 up. Almost 3. Nice. Good job. Good job.
Dan, shut the hell up. You don't have to talk until you can do them. If you can do them, then you say something.
I'll do some pod push-ups right now.
Alright, Mickey, get him.
You got it.
You gotta listen to Mickey though.
Nope. All the way down. All the way down.
All right, ready?
You got us down. 1. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do 5 little ones.
Nope. All the way down.
2, 3, 4, 5. Up.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah.
I told you I could do the motherfucker. Oh, shit. No, I'm sweating. We need to get a drink or something.
Are you gonna go throw up in the bathroom?
Probably.
Training with Micky Ward.
Oucho.
Oucho?
Oucho. Oucho Cinco.
So Micky, thank you,
Yeah.
brother. Where can
got
they
it.
find you, man? What? Do you have any websites? Anything that you're doing right now that people can check out?
Check me out. You can check me out at which on Box to Burn, gem.com.
Okay. All right, Micky.
You got it, bud. Good
I
job,
appreciate
bud.
you, brother. Thank you for the workout, dude.
Thank you, bud.
Micky Ward, Box to Burn, baby.